Welcome back to Offshore Company Reg's Offshore Company Formation Guide series. In this third video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to registering an offshore company. Meet Sarah, an ambitious entrepreneur ready to take her business offshore. Let's follow Sarah as she navigates the process of incorporating her offshore company. Step 1. Documentation. Gather the required documents such as identification, proof of address, and business plan. Our team at Offshore Company Reg will guide you through the process, ensuring you have everything you need. Step 2. Name reservation. Choose a unique and relevant name for your company and submit it for reservation. Our experts can assist in ensuring compliance with naming regulations and securing your desired name. Step 3. Registration. Complete the necessary forms and submit them along with the required documentation to the relevant authorities. Our streamlined processes and extensive experience will expedite this stage. At Offshore Company Reg, we provide comprehensive support throughout the registration process. Our dedicated professionals will ensure a seamless experience, saving you time and effort. With our expertise, Sarah successfully registered her offshore company and gained a competitive edge in the global market. Ready to embark on your offshore journey? Visit offshorecompanyreg.com to access our step-by-step guidance and register your offshore company today. Stay tuned for the next video in our Offshore Company Formation Guide series, where we'll dive into the effective tax planning strategies for offshore companies.